All right. Brittany is the newest member of our youth group. Brittany, will you please pick a partner? Look to your right. Your other right. Move more to the right. In the red shirt, Brittany? All right, Brittany says he don't need no man. She's gonna dance by herself. Ladies and gentlemen, Britney Spears.
Baby, can't you see?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Now we've come, wait. We are going to find out who the winner of Dancing with the Stars. Let's hear it for Justin Bieber. Not enough little girls in the crowd, okay. What about Lady Gaga? Or is it Britney Spears? Britney Spears it is. Thank you, Britney, for helping our program tonight.